This video is the first of two videos. We're going to talk about Joshua booties and how to make them. Today I'm going to kind of show you the basic steps and then show you in the second video a little bit more detailed. These are hand stitched booties, so if you're not a sewer, these are ones that you can make. This is a finished pair. You see the bottoms are not necessarily the same fabric as the top. But they are very easy to make. We're going to show you really quickly some of the steps involved. This is the pattern for the Joshua booties. You can see it's kind of cut up in there. You do not have to have matching fabric to do it, but you kind of want to have fabrics that match the same color. Now, for example, this is blue and this is pink. We probably wouldn't want to put those together, but in this example, you can see that it gets cut up the middle and then it has two little cuts right there. The first step in putting them together is putting the right sides together. For fleece, usually the brighter side is the right side, so that would be this. You're going to put the right sides together and then you'll just sew right down there. That's the only part you have to sew on these booties. It's really easy just to make a big strip of them and put them all together like that. Once you get that together, you will fold it back out so that the right side is on the outside, and you will put the top of the booty onto the bottom of the booty with the wrong sides inside. As you can see, we already have the string here. You're going to use crochet cotton, the same thing we use to tie quilts. And we'll start doing that stitch all the way around. You'll go all the way to the back and we'll show you how to secure it in the back. Once you get that done, this is what the booty is going to look like. You can see we don't have a lot of big gaps in there so that the baby's toes won't stick out. And we're about maybe 1/4 of an inch in and maybe 1/8 to 1/4 inch width between these to make sure it's real secure. After that, the next step will be to put that same kind of stitch on the top. Again, you'll start from the back. You'll go around to the front. We kind of just bring the thread over and then you'll go around the back and secure it. We'll show you that step in there. And then the last thing you'll be doing is to take a needle and put in a 1/8 inch wide ribbon in it, and that will be the tie for this. This is 24 inches long and it'll take it all the way back to the front. At that point, we usually will tie the booties together, or you can stuff one inside the other so that they're secure. And in the next video, we'll show you a little bit more detailed about how specifically to make the booty.